Hey everyone, today we're unboxing the Instant Pot Duo Plus, the revolutionary kitchen appliance that's going to completely transform your meal prep. Forget cluttered counters. This 9-in-1 powerhouse functions as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, sterilizer, and more, offering unmatched versatility. Cooking gourmet meals effortlessly is now a reality, thanks to its 15 smart, customizable programs that handle everything from soups to cakes with perfect precision. The premium stainless steel inner pot ensures healthy cooking, superior durability, and incredibly easy cleanup, which busy families will truly appreciate. What truly makes the Duo Plus special is how it simplifies complex recipes, allowing you to create delicious, restaurant-quality dishes in a fraction of the time. If you're searching for the best pressure cooker or an all-in-one appliance to streamline your kitchen, your search ends here. Ready to experience this amazing culinary game-changer for yourself? You can find the Instant Pot Duo Plus at the best price via the Amazon link in our description below. It's not just an appliance. It's an investment in healthier eating, more family time, and less kitchen stress for 2025. Don't miss out on upgrading your cooking experience. Click that link and get yours today. The Instant Pot Duo Plus is unequivocally our top recommendation for anyone wanting to master home cooking with ease and efficiency.